All it took was one simple prompt in Google Gemini to generate this detailed technical isometric infographic, made possible by the latest Nano Banana update. And honestly, the results are impressive. In just a few seconds, you can create visuals that look like they were designed by professional illustrators. Let me walk you through exactly how you can do this yourself. The first step is to decide which object or device you want to convert into an infographic. You can keep things simple and generic, like a television, a laptop, or a smartphone. Or if you want more accurate details, you can choose a specific model of a device, like I have created infographics of Samsung S25. By producing it, it looks even more informative visuals. Once you have your idea ready, open a new chat in Google Gemini. Then go to the Tools section and select Create Images. From there, activate Nano Banana 2, which is the feature responsible for generating these detailed infographic-style visuals. Make sure you enable the Pro model or the Thinking model, because these models are better at producing more structured and technically accurate results. Next, copy and paste the prompt you see on the screen. Inside that prompt, you'll notice some text written in brackets. Simply replace the text inside the brackets with the device or object you want to visualize. For this example, I'm going to ask Gemini to generate an infographic of a computer motherboard. The motherboard is one of the most important components in a computer, connecting all the major hardware parts together. So it makes a great example for a technical infographic. After submitting the prompt, Gemini quickly generates a detailed isometric infographic. In the center, you can see a photorealistic render of the motherboard, while the surrounding sections highlight key components such as the RAM slots, chipset, power connectors, expansion slots, and other important parts. Each section is clearly labeled and color-coded, making it much easier to understand how everything fits together. From here, you can share it by copying the link. You can also copy the image from here, or simply download it, and it will be downloaded to your system. Next, I tried another example and asked it to create an infographic of a CPU, or central processing unit. Once again, the results were impressive. The infographic shows the processor in the center along with labeled diagrams explaining important parts like the cores, cache layers, integrated heat spreader, and how the processor communicates with the rest of the system. These kinds of visuals are incredibly helpful for learning, teaching, and technical presentations because they simplify complex hardware concepts into clear and engaging diagrams. You'll find the prompt in the video description. Just copy from there, add your object or product, and start creating your own infographics. The best part is that you can visualize almost anything with it. For instance, teachers could use it to illustrate scientific equipment to show it to students for better learning of any topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.